Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we are discussing exercise 8.4 question number 5. So we'll continue with the video. Our next question is question number 6 you see, that is root over 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus 10a. So first we'll write left hand side. What is given you see, root over 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So next step what we'll do, we'll just rationalize the denominator, that is root over 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into, so we'll write the denominator, that is 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. So now we'll multiply, so equal to what we'll get, root over, so 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, what we'll get, 1 plus sin a whole square a, 1 plus sin a whole square, and downside what we'll get, 1 square minus sin square a, that is a square minus b square formula. Okay, so next see, you can cancel root, so what will get, 1 plus sin a, and downside 1 minus sin square, if you remember, we can write cos square a. Okay, because 1 minus sin square value is cos square a. So next what we can write, so square and root cancel, so what will get, 1 plus sin a by cos a. So what we can write, 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. We'll just separate the denominator. So if you remember, 1 by cos a formula is what, formula of 1 by cos a is sec a plus sin a by cos a is 10a, which is equal to right hand side. Next, question number 7, you see what is given, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. So we have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So first we'll write left hand side. Okay, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay, so next what we can write, in the numerator we can take sin theta common. We'll take sin theta common, so what will get, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cube is there, so we'll take 1 sin common. Downside also we can take cos theta common, so what will get, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so next what we can write, sin theta into, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta bracket. Now see what we can write, 2 into cos square theta, what we can write, 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, we are applying the formula minus 1, because if you remember, cos square theta formula is what, 1 minus sin square theta. So now upside will remain same, that is sin theta. If you multiply upside you keep same, what will write, we will get sin theta bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so downside if you now write cos theta bracket 2 1 ja, you will get 2 minus 2 into sin square, we can write 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, so next step, outside you will keep same, sin theta, downside we can write cos theta. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta, upside will remain same, and downside if you remember, what will do, 2 minus 1, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So the bracket portion we can cancel, so what you will get, sin theta by cos theta. So the formula of sin theta by cos theta is what, tan theta. Okay, the value is tan theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to right hand side. So this way we can prove left hand side equal to right hand side. Question number 8, see what is given, left hand side, sin a plus cos a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, so first we'll approach from left hand side and we'll prove right hand side. Okay, so left hand side we'll write it down. What is given, sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. So next step what we can do, we can break in the formula, that is a plus b whole square formula. So we'll get sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a. Okay, we are breaking in a plus b whole square formula. Similarly, this we can write cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. 2 cos a sec a. Okay. So next what we'll do? We'll try to pair. Okay, we'll pair sin square a plus cos square a together because we'll get formula from here. Similarly, we'll write cosec square a plus sec square a together. Okay, sec square a together. So what is left? Plus we can write 2 sin a cosec a plus 2 cos a sec a. Next step, so sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1 we can write plus cosec square a, what we can write? If you remember the formula cosec square a, we can write 1 plus cot square a. Similarly, plus sec square a, what we can write? We can write 1 plus tan square a. These are all formula. Okay, plus 2 sin a. Sin, what we can write? 1 by cos a, cosec a. Okay, into cosec a plus 2 into cos a, what we can write? 1 by sec a into sec a. Okay, so we can cancel sec a, cosec a, cosec a. So what will get? 1 plus, so if you add 1 plus 1, you will get 2 plus, what will you get? Cot square a plus tan square a plus, so we'll get 2 1 2 plus 2 1 2. So add all, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7 plus cot square. Okay, we'll write tan square a first plus cot square a, which is equal to right hand side. So in this way, left hand side equal to right hand side. Next, question number 9, see what is given. Cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cosec a equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. So first we'll write from left hand side. So left hand side, what is given? Cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. Okay, this is my left hand side. So next what we can write? Cosec a, what we can write? We can write 1 by sin a. Formula cosec is 1 by sin a. So sin a will keep sin a bracket into sec a, we can write 1 by cos a. So cos minus cos a will keep same. Okay. So next step we'll take LCM. So LCM will get sin a. So what will you get? Upside 1 minus sin square a. So put the bracket. Finally, if you take LCM here, we'll get cos a. So 1 minus cos a into cos a will get cos square a. Okay. So next, what we can write? We can write downside, if you see, multiply sin a into cos a you will get. Okay. Upside, what will you get? 1 minus cos sin square formula is cos square a into 1 minus cos square formula is sin square a. We are using the formula. Okay. So we can cancel sin a and cos a cos a. So what is left upside? Sin a cos a. Okay. So next what we will do? We'll prove left hand side, right hand side. Okay. This we have to separate separately. First we'll prove left hand side. Now we'll solve right hand side. So right hand side, see what is given? 1 by tan a plus cot a. Okay. 1 by tan a plus cot a. So convert the formula 1 by tan a. Tan a, what we can write? Sin a by cos a. We can write sin a by cos a plus cot a, what we can write? Cos a by sin a, because tan is, cot is opposite of tan. So cos a by sin a. So next step we'll take LCM. So what will you get? 1 by, so LCM of cos a sin a is sin a cos a. So you will get sin a cos a. So what you will get? Sin square a plus cos square a. If you take LCM, you will get sin square a plus cos square a. Okay. So next step, what you can write? We can write 1 by, so formula of sin square a plus cos square is 1 divided by sin a cos a. Okay. So now just change it. So what you will get? Sin a cos a. Okay, which is equal with left hand side. So value of left hand side and right hand side we got equal. So it is verified. Okay, it is proved. Next question, see question number 10. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equal to 1 minus tan by 1 by cot a whole square equal to tan square a. So here we have to prove separately. So first we'll prove 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equal to tan square a. Okay. So first we'll write 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. So what we can write? Equal to 1 plus tan square a, what we can write? We can write sin square a by cos square a, because tan a equal to sin a by cos a, divided by 1 plus cos square a, what we can write? We can write cos square a by sin square a. Okay, so next step we'll take LCM. So we'll write, if you take LCM, we'll get cos square a. So cos square a into 1, you can write cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, similarly downside also we'll take LCM. So if you take LCM, we'll get sin square a. So sin square a into 1, what you will get? Sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, now next we'll put the value. Now value of cos square a plus sin square is how much? So we can write 1 by cos square a divided by 1 by sin square a, because sin square a plus cos square is also 1. Now if you change the value, what you will get? We can write 1 by cos square a. If you multiply this, what you will get? Sin square will go up and downside you will get 1. So now cross multiply, multiply, we will get sin square a divided by downside cos square a. Okay, now if you remember, sin square a by cos square a is tan square a. Okay, so we got the value tan square a. Now next we will solve middle term. Now middle term is given what? 1 minus tan a by 1 by cot a whole square. So we'll solve this also, and you have to get tan square a. Okay, means after solving both the terms, we have to get tan square a. So let us solve. What is given? 1 minus tan a. So first we'll separate. Okay, 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a cot a. We are converting into a minus b whole square formula. Okay, 1 plus cot square a minus 2 cot a, using the a minus b whole square formula. So next what we can write? If you remember, there is one formula, 1 plus tan square a we can write in formula, and downside also 1 plus cot square a we can write in formula. Okay, so if you remember, 1 plus tan square equal to how much? That is value of 1 plus tan square equal to sec square a. Okay, minus 2 tan a divided by 1 plus cot square a, what we can write? Formula 1 plus cot square is cos x square a minus 2 cot a. Okay, so next what we can write? Uh, next we will write sec square we can convert 1 by cos square a, because sec formula is 1 by cos a, and only 2 into tan a, what we can write? We can write sin a by cos a, divided by downside what is given? Cos x square a. So cos x square a, what we can write? 1 by sin square a minus 2 into cot we can write cos a by sin a. Okay, so next step what we can do? We can take LCM here. So if you take LCM, cos square a into cos a, we will get cos square a. So outside you will get 1 minus 2 into sin a cos a. Okay, divided by downside also, if you take LCM of sin square a and sin a, you will get sin square a. So you will get 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. So next what we can do? So we'll write 1 minus 2 sin a cos a by cos square a. So this divide will change into multiply. Okay, so if you change into multiply, what will happen? Sin square a will go up, and 1 minus 2 sin a will go down. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. So we can cancel 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. So what is left? Sin square a by cos square a, which is equal to, right,